Alright guys, and our winners for Jimmy's at a pick one here. We got 23 spots, 350th spot. Winner picks one. We are going to go live. We are live. 1:57 p.m. 1:57 p.m. We are going to grab the list. $23 spots. We're going to drop it into random. 23 entries. We got Justin on the bottom, Brian on top. We roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3, that's not high enough. We're going to roll again. And we have a 7. We're going 7 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Scott. Spot 20. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jim and get your bobblehead. We are done. 1:58 p.m. Go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 1:58. 1:58. Verification code and the timestamp.